Subtraction of negative integers using number line. Example: evaluate the following using a number line. The first expression, we have minus 4,000 minus 8,000. And then in the second expression, we have minus 700 minus 500. Solution. For the first expression, we rewrite it. We have here minus 4,000. Now because we have minus, it becomes plus. And what we have here is then 8,000. That is, from minus 4,000 minus 8,000, it can be rewritten as minus 4,000 plus 8,000. Now we show this on a number line. Since we are dealing with thousands, we cannot go in steps of 1. Neither can we go in steps of 100 because it will not be accommodated by this short line. So instead, we will go in steps of 1,000. If this is 0, to the right we have the positive integers 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000. And then to the left we have our negative integers minus 1,000, minus 2,000, minus 3,000, minus 4,000, minus 5,000. Now, starting from 0, we will show minus 4,000 by moving 4 steps to the left. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. This indicates minus 4,000. The next is to show our minus 8,000, which has been written as plus 8,000. That is, from wherever we end here, we are going to move 8 steps to the right. So from here, count 8 steps to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we move like this to the right to indicate our plus 8,000. From this number line, we can see that we ended up at plus 4,000. That shows that minus 4,000 minus 8,000 equals 4,000. Let's try the same thing with the second expression. B. Just as we have done, we will rewrite this expression where this 2 negative sign becomes a positive sign. That is, we will now have it as minus 700 plus 500. All right. Minus 700 plus 500. Draw your number line. On the number line, we then indicate our integers from 0. Now we are dealing with hundreds, so each step can then represent 100. So if we are going to the right, the first step will be 100, followed by 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700. Now to the left, minus 100, minus 200, minus 300, minus 400 minus 500 minus 600 minus 700 minus 800. Now let us show minus 700 on this number line. To do that, we are going to start from 0 and move 7 steps to the left of 0. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This shows minus 700. Now to do the plus 500, we are going to move 5 steps to the right of where we have stopped. That is, from this point, we count 5 steps to the right. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can always draw like this as well. Just show the direction. So we have moved from here to this point. This proves that minus 700 minus 500 will give minus 200. Thank you.